Are you looking for best rear view mirror glue? In this video, we will break down the top 3 rear view mirror glue. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. PC Products Super Epoxy. This Super Epoxy from PC Products is definitely of a higher quality. It can be used on your rear view mirror as well as other projects involving wood, metal, glass, brick, concrete, and fiberglass. It is also highly temperature resistant, ensuring it will have a long life and your fix won't fall apart. It bonds so well that you can even drill, sand, saw, and paint after it's fully cured. It comes with 2 syringes to apply the epoxy. You will have to do some mixing of the product, so be very careful when handling this super epoxy. It can take it up to 24 hours to fully cure, depending on your project. For the rear view mirror, you are looking at a 3 to 4 hour cure time. At number 2. JB Weld MinuteWeld Glue. The JB Weld MinuteWeld Instant Setting Epoxy Syringe is most suitable for tile but can be used on stone, glass, most plastics, wood, and metal. It's a super strong adhesive, and once it sets it is as strong as steel. It will, therefore, work just fine on a rear view mirror. This MinuteWeld is a 2-part epoxy, so the hardener and resin are in separate parts of the tube. This is done so that the glue does not get stuck to the inside of the tube. Purchasers, therefore, are tasked with mixing the 2 substances when the glue is about to be used. The mixture will thereby serve as the extra durable adhesive that will be used on the desired surface. Despite the fact that it has not been created specifically for the purpose, it will rival any rear view mirror glue in the market. Each purchase comes with 1 carded syringe that holds 25 ml of the substances. This glue is most ideal for smaller repairs and fixes, but it will also work just as well with DIYs as long as users are cautious of the instruction from the manual. Ultimately, this adhesive, if used correctly, will get the job done with no hassles at all. At number 3. 3M High Bond Rear View Mirror Adhesive. 3M High Bond Rear View Mirror Adhesive is specially made for rear view mirrors. It's formulated to hold everything together, even in the harshest weather conditions. This 3M adhesive is actually a kit that consists of 2 products, an activator and an adhesive. They come in separate tubes that are clearly marked, so you'll easily be able to tell them apart. 3M High Bond Rearview Mirror Adhesive comes with clear instructions and it's easy to use. It takes about 15 minutes to an hour to cure, depending on the conditions. Well, 3M has made sure that its adhesive lasts no matter the conditions. Firstly, the glue is resistant to chemicals and dampness. It will hold your rearview mirror together even during the most humid conditions due to its ability to resist degradation caused by the excess moisture. Furthermore, those that live in an extremely hot environment won't have to worry about the glue losing its properties. 3M High Bond Rearview Mirror Adhesive will survive being in the direct sunlight for days.